Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. This video is specific for Reformation theme. If you have any other theme, then you can explore the playlist of the videos. I have already given the link below in the description. I have created a lot of videos with different themes, so if you still don't find, then message me. I will definitely help you out in that. And for say example, you don't have the color variant, you have any other name of the variant, for example fabric, material or any other name, then still you can separate them out on collection pages. So here is the current situation of the store. You can see this is my shop page where I have only 4 products, but each product has multiple variants. For say example, this product has multiple colors like gold, red color, and then this is cream gold, but only single color is displaying on this collection page. So how we can make it possible that all the colors should be displayed on collection pages? So let me show you step by step. Firstly, you should go back to the dashboard of the store. Here you can see I have installed Reformation theme. So you should click on these 3 dots and duplicate this theme first, so that you should have a backup of this theme. Once you have created this duplicate, then again click on these 3 dots and click on edit code. And here you will find that we have multiple folders and files. So we are going to follow a documentation. I have already given the link below in the description, so you should click on that link, and then after you will be getting these 4 files. You should open document.txt. In this file I have already given all the steps which are important for this video. So now the first step is that create a new snippet, color dash variant. So you should copy the name from here and then click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, and then paste that name and then click on done. So this way we have created an empty snippet file. So in the same way you should create another snippet file, which is in the step number 2, color dash product dash card. So let me copy this, go back here, and here we have to click on add a new snippet, paste that name, and then click on done. So we have created 2 empty snippet files. Now we are going to paste the code which we have attached. So you will find that we have 2 files. First is color-product-card.txt. So let me copy this code from here, and then after you should go back and paste it inside of color-product-card.liquid and then save the changes. Once you are done, then you can close this file and go back. And here we have another file which is color-variant.txt. So just open this file, copy this code, and then paste it inside of this empty file which is color-variant.liquid. So I have pasted, and then you can save the changes. And now you can close this file also. Go back to the documentation. We have the third step, which is go to sections, open main-collection-product-grid.liquid. So let me copy this name of file and search it inside of search box, and here we can see that we have main-collection-product-grid.liquid, which is under sections. So you should open this file, and here in this file you should search product-card. So let me copy this, and using Ctrl F or maybe Command F you can search this, and you will find somewhere around line number 70. So what we are going to do here is we are going to replace this product-card with color dash variant, and then after we have the final step, which is remove li tag around the render component. So that means this is the render component actually, and around this we have this opening li tag. So I'm going to delete this one, and also this is closing li tag. You also need to delete this, and then save the changes. And now you can close this file, and that's it. Now here you can see that we have multiple products, but only single color is displaying. Let me show you the preview of the fresh changes which I have done just now. So let me click on catalog, and here we go. Now you can see that we have all those colors displayed on this collection page, and you can also see that when we are hovering on it, then specific related image is displaying right here. So that's how you can actually do the stuff. One more thing is, if you are clicking on quick view, so you can also see that specific color is displaying right here. For example, like this, you can see that specific color is picked up, and in the same way like this. All right. So if you are facing any issues or something, you can definitely ask me. I will help you out in that. So this is quite simple. to implement. You only need to follow the documentation which I have given. And if you still find any problem or something, you can ask me. I will definitely help you out in that. If you have any new store to create, or maybe you have any new feature to develop, you can message me. I have already given the contact details below in the description. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.